Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. First of all, go to search bar and type here CMD. Right click here and select run as administrator. Select as. So what you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So don't worry. Now type here msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostic and hit enter. Once done, just close this window and then right click on the start icon, go to device manager, then just expand the mice and other pointing devices. So expand these, right click on the mouse, go to its properties, go to its drivers tab, go to update driver and select the first one, and then base drivers will be installed automatically. Then close all windows one by one. Again simply open its control panel, go to control panel, select large view by as large icons and then click on mouse. Once we are here, we need to go to the pointer options, then we need to check this option, display pointer trails, then keep it this up to the short one and check this option also, hide pointing while typing. You can also uncheck this, it does not matter, but this one is important. Then click on apply and then OK. Once done, restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue. That will be a better way to fix this issue, an effective one also. So go and check out. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.